Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study one of the Oscar Wilde's most emotional and symbolic stories, The Nightingale and the Rose. This story teaches us about true love, sacrifice, selfishness, and the painful contrast between ideal love and real human behavior. Before we begin the explanation, let me quickly introduce you to the main characters. The student, a young boy who wants a red rose to impress a girl. The girl, daughter of a professor, materialistic. The nightingale, symbol of true love, sacrifice. The oak tree, friend of the nightingale. The lizard, butterfly, daisy represents shallow thinking. The professor, father of the girl. The Chamberlain nephew, rich, attractive boy. The rose trees, each with a different purpose. Now let's begin with first paragraph. The student's sadness. The story begins with the student crying because he needs a red rose to dance with the girl he loves, but he cannot find even one rose in his garden. Students, here we see that the boy thinks love depends on something material, a rose. His idea of love is emotional but also immature. Second paragraph, the nightingale hears him. The nightingale sitting in her tree hears the boy crying. She believes he is truly in love and admires his passion. The nightingale represents pure love. She believes human love is beautiful and magical. She misunderstands the boy's immature emotions as true love. Third paragraph. The creatures mock love. The lizard, daisy, and butterfly mock the boy, saying love is silly. These creatures represent shallow practical thinking. They believe love is foolish and useless. Oscar Wilde contrasts them with the nightingale's idealism. Fourth paragraph, Nightingale decides to help. The nightingale decides she will help the boy find a red rose by sacrificing something important. This is the turning point. The nightingale sees the boy's sadness and chooses love over her own life. She becomes the symbol of selfless sacrifice. Fifth paragraph. She visits the rose trees. She goes to the first rose tree, white roses, second tree, yellow roses, third tree, red roses, but it has no blossoms. Each tree symbolizes different kind of love. White, purity. Yellow, luxury. Red, deep, passionate love. Only the red rose tree can help her, but it requires a painful price. Sixth paragraph. The terrible sacrifice. The red rose tree tells her, you must sing all night with your heart pressed to my thorn. Your blood must flow to create a red rose. This is the highest form of sacrifice. Love requires pain, effort, and selflessness. The nightingale accepts this willingly. Seventh paragraph, the nightingale's final song. The nightingale presses her heart against the thorn and sings all night. Her blood slowly turns the rose red. At dawn, she dies. One of the most emotional scenes. Her sacrifice creates the perfect red rose. This symbolizes true love demands giving, not taking. Eighth paragraph, the student finds the rose. Next morning, the student finds the rose and becomes extremely happy. He takes it proudly to the girl. The boy has no idea what price was paid. He sees only the rose, not the sacrifice. This shows human ignorance and selfishness. Ninth paragraph, the girl rejects him. The girl rejects the rose, saying, it doesn't match my dress. And the chamberlain's nephew gave her jewels, so she chooses him. This reveals the cruelty of materialistic love. The girl values wealth more than emotions. The student's love was one sided and immature. 10th paragraph. The boy throws the rose away. Angry and disappointed, the student throws the rose into the street and a cart crushes it. Symbolically, the sacrifice of the nightingale is wasted. Human beings often destroy what they cannot understand. 11th paragraph. The student rejects love. The student returns to his room and says he will focus only on practical things like philosophy. He runs away from emotional pain and convinces himself that love is useless. Just like the creatures earlier, he becomes practical and emotionless. Students, now let's see what is the conclusion. The Nightingale and the Rose is a heartbreaking story that shows the difference between ideal love and human love. Oscar Wilde teaches us that the nightingale understood love. Humans misunderstood it. True love demands sacrifice, but not everyone deserves it. Students, now let's see what is the moral of the story. True love is selfless, but the world often fails to value genuine sacrifice. Thank you, students, for watching this lesson. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next class. Until then, bye.